gentlemen, boys and girls, there's Abby in the corner. There's Adam. So this morning we are going on an adventure. We are going on a train ride. Adam, can you explain more about the train ride?
I can. Welcome to Life with Adam and Dale. It's another day, another hat. Can you lift it up?
Another hat. Hang on, let me get it in because Adam's, yeah, there we go.
So today we're trying to find our way to a train called Llanberis Lake Railway, and it basically just take you on an hour trip round Snowdonia because we were there yesterday. The pictures are so beautiful that we decided to go back again today.
So beautiful.
If anyone's interested, it is dog friendly. It's £25 for a carriage of 6, and we'll take you along and let you know what it looks like.
We'll see you soon. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived Llanberis train station. There's Adam and the puppy dogs. There's Abby. There's the train over in the distance, as you can see. It's quite a big place. We'll get on the train now and we will show you what it's all about. So you've got a diving centre over there apparently. Here's the ticket office. The information.
Just on this side of the barriers there. Okay guys.
And here we go. This is the train this way. I believe we have to wear masks. Train this way. Okay. I believe we're in compartment 5C. Look at this train. This is a big train. There we go. And this is our one, 1A. Thank you.
If you can leave those chairs up for me if you don't mind, yeah?
Yeah.
If you can leave, yeah.
Yeah, we won't touch
You
it.
got plenty, yeah?
Yeah, we'll
Thank
touch it.
you.
Yeah.
We got an upgrade, free upgrade.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is our little vestibule. We'll give you the grand tour. This is the door of the grand vestibule. There we go, this is one section of the grand vestibule with an Adam. Husky and Leo. There we go, we have windows. There's Abby at the other end of the grand vestibule. Let's get on the way.
Let's.
So guys, we've just finished the train ride, as I'm sure you've just seen. With
We're
Adam.
gonna go and see if we can get into the Slate Museum, but we don't know because of the puppy dogs.
Anything to add, Abby? Abby has nothing to add, so we're back now, and hopefully we can get in. So, we want to go up there, but unfortunately we're not allowed, for some unknown reason. So these got there, collect the slate at the top, and then transported down in these. One goes up, one goes down. And I should imagine there would have been an owl there before years ago. So we came off the train, and you've just seen that lifty up and down thingy. And then we found this little, like, well, secret garden-ish area. It's quite steep, the steps are. Full of slate everywhere. A Welsh slate. They're the steep steps. So this is the secret garden type of thingy, which everyone just walked completely by. It's not advertised. So let's have a look. And it looks like it's got an abandoned building.
Stop eating grass, Leo.
Here we go. There's the abandoned building, which It's just missing a roof, but I'm sure it's a fixer-upper for somebody. So, can you see in there any ghosts or anything? Anything down there you can see?
Good, so we just see a face now, I'm gone.
It's too high up for me to reach, but yes, we'll have a look. Well, you've just had a look, I haven't. If you remember me talking about the lifts that go up the hill, so this is the other side of it. There we go, there. So they come up and down here, and we're going through there. And there we go. Just like that, we're under the bridge. Didn't take a lot of effort, but yes. Ooh, that's a lot of Welsh slate up there, being held back by beams of steel and metal. A little bit bowing, I'm a bit concerned. We are walking along. As you can see, these steps. Let's got these steps. So we went up the steps, very slippery ones, and as you can see, there's like massive. Well, it doesn't do it justice actually, but down there, I'm not sure if you can see. There's well, like a reservoir thing. Hopefully, when we get up further, we can get a better view for you. There we go up the top. So you can't really see it down there. There is, does look like maybe a bit of a walk. So we'll go down there and have a look in a minute. But there's some big cliffs. So here we go. Look, these are the big wheels. I'm assuming they're what turned that lift thingy. And here's the lift thingy. Don't know what it's called, guys. So bear with me while I say lift thingy over and over. So this is the top end of it. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So this is the top end. And there we go, look. So this big wheel, this would pull up the wires and the chains. And as you can see, all the slate tiles are on there. And that one over there. So it could very well still be in use, because of the marks on there, as you can see, from the steel. And they're all full of slates. And look at that view in the background. Excuse me, being out of breath, guys. We just walked up like a million steps. As you can see, beautiful views. There's the car park down there. You can see Adam's car. These are all seems to be little derelict buildings that have been left the elements. Big pieces of slate there. And from what they were saying, 90% of the mountain that was blasted for slate was actually unusable. So it's interesting. We still got these old little buildings, mostly intact. But get a load of this old view.
Look at this view! Cheese board!
So you can't really see, guys, but up here on top of the mountain, well, you can't see it, it's Snowdonia. And we know this because when we was on the train, the guy actually told us, showed us a picture in perfect daylight conditions. You can see it, but up there you can't, because it's in foggy conditions. So this believes to be at the top of the mountain. See the rope? And then go down there. You got the other one, which will pull it up from there. A bit of a steep drop. So we'll try not to chuck Abigail down there. If we do, it'll be our own fault. Here we go, we've got the big wheels up there. Big wheels keep on turning. If you know the song, mention in the comments. And there we go, down there. So here we go, guys. This is a bit of a better angle. I can show you here. So, as you can see, the big wheels are up there. Goes down the hill. And then goes down that big massive hill. And then there, that building is where we was just now. We walked under there as well. There's the massive building over there. That's the Slate Museum, I believe. The railway track in there. But down there, you can just see in there. That's where they used to pull all the good quality slate to the roofs, which would be imported all across the world. So guys, we're leaving the train ride thingy that we've just been on, and you've seen all the mountains and up in the background up there. You can see them up there as well. So we're just leaving now. We're going to go back to the caravan. Well, actually we're going to go and get some lunch or something to eat first, then back to the caravan. We will be back out this way later on. We are going kayaking on the lake we've seen down there just now, so you'll see that in a bit as well. So we'll see you in a bit. So guys, we are in the kayaks. Here's Adam, here's Abigail. We're going to do some adventuring on the high seas, so it won't be that long, it won't be that much footage, but let's go. There we go. There we go. Oh, I'm knackered already. This beautiful lake. This is the lake we were on here on. Over there was where the railway went. So yeah, catch up in a bit, guys.
Here we have Dale and Abby in their kayaking motions, and have me in my kayaking motions. We just seen a heron over there and a rainbow, but unfortunately we weren't able to catch it on GoPro. So, oh, I just like hit myself in the face. Is this waterproof? Is it waterproof? The camera. I want to see what it's like underwater. It's not the easiest one-handed. This is like Florida. Look at the doggers. Abby, you just look at the doggers. I think so. I'd fall off that.
Double rainbow!
We seen a rainbow. It's a double rainbow. It's a double rainbow, as Abby would say. What happened? Because of what? Don't because of what? Oh, there's loads of little fish in this. Abby, you're too far away. Oh my god. Oh, it's hit the boys now, Dale. It's hit the boys. It's hit the boys. It's too cold. I can't do it. It's freezing. I can't do it.
North Wales water.
Oh, I can't do it. North Wales water.
Okay, I'm warm enough now.
What do I do? Just dunk myself?
Just do it.
Abby, why are you so fine?
It's my hands more than anything.
Oh, it's my...
Oh, I got a
There's a
body
bubble.
as well.
I'm freezing. It's on my back and I'm cold. Oh, it's on my back and I'm cold. I can't do it. It's in my... I'm cold. Why are you making that noise?
Because I'm fucking cold. You just dunk yourself, Adam.
It's too close. It's too close.
Your lips have gone blue.
Already? Oh my god,
They've gone blue.
I forgot how to swim. Oh, I found the floor.
Do it, go on, jump, run and jump. Abby.
Why, I can't float. You must be full of air in yours. What's your head full of air?
Jump off
Ooh,
there.
something
Abby.
touched me.
What? And your hat?
A fish. No, I'm not going to go in with my head because my hat.
No. It's sucking me in. It's sucking me in. Don't clench.
Did it suddenly get warmer then?
Oh,
What do you think the temperature of this water is?
Oh my god. It's colder. Don't put your feet down. It's warmer on the surface.
Yeah, but I can't float.
Why not?
Well, put your legs first, go back on.
Can't float.
Relax.
Oh, quick now. Well done.
Okay, so we're going to end the vlog here. Dale's going to have a little bit more of a practice. We're at a lovely day today. There's Abby waving bye because she just ditched us. The reason we're ending now is because we only have a little bit of memory left on this GoPro. So, see you tomorrow.